The law, when DC is given 144, 3 or 5, the gathering cannot be more than 5. Yes. If you are 4 persons, if you are protesting here, I have no objection. But if the gathering is more than 5, see what the law says, I cannot allow it.
But sir, we are forced because
by force, you should not break the law of the country.
We are not breaking, sir. Sir, we are on the
you are breaking 144.
We are on the limit, sir. We are on the limit.
You are breaking 144.
Sir, we are on the limit. We have to protest against the council because they have broken their promises, sir.
There is no harm in the protest, but you do it democratically.
We are doing democratically, sir. We are just in assembly, sir. We are not using any unparliamentary vote to anyone.
No.
We are doing it democratically, sir.
But the gathering has itself become undemocratic now. Under 144.
If there is no protest, there is no protest, sir.
There is a way. You should apply for permission now.
We will apply it, sir. But then
you do it.
We will do it, sir. We will do it, sir.
You apply it that we want to protest against the eviction of the. We will then see the thing. We will locate your place and do it. There is no harm.
We will do it, sir. We will do it. We will do it.
For every protest, there has to be permission under 144.
Yes.
You know it clearly.
We know that. But we give you the promise, sir. We are not going to give harm to anyone. We are not going to use any unparliamentary vote. But we'll be sitting here peacefully. I give you my word, sir. We'll be doing it here peacefully. Nobody will be harmed, sir.
This is not a designated place.
Sir, you know it, sir.
You do it in it will be under our protection. You do it in the designated place now. There is a designated something the park is there. There is a designated place for your protest. You sit there. I have no objection,
sir. For the
but
time
it has to be in the designated place.
For the time being, let us agree that let the elected representative come here and then let him.
I can send that message to the independent only if you do it in the designated place.
So let him come, sir.
How can he come to a place which is not constitutional and under a law of 144?
So this is the responsibility of the elected representative to come here and then
see. Angtong, I only speak lawfully. If I say anything unlawful, you can counter me.
Yeah, I'm not countering you, sir.
Yeah.
I'm just discussing with you.
There is, because of this election, there is 144.
Yes, we know that.
You understand?
We know that.
Under 144.
Incoming call from Serjang identified by Truecaller.
Yes, we know that.
And if you ask to protest, I have no objection, but it has to be allowed in the designated protest place.
That is why.
Like in Delhi, it's there in Jantar Mantar. You know it.
Yeah.
For Karbi Along, the designated place is Samsung Park. Or it can be under your office premises. Other than that, if it's allowed, it has to be a permission. You can protest indefinite, whatever. I have nothing to say, but it has to be proper as per law. Unnecessarily, I don't want to declare you an unlawful assembly. See, unfortunately, if we break, why all these people are? You are a leader now. Please lead them as per law. Don't break the law of the land.
Sir, you know that we have been doing protests very peacefully. Even in Keroni, even here, no harm, no properties have been destroyed. Everything was organized peacefully, sir. You know that. You know it very well.
I know. I have full faith in it. Then do it democratically, na. Do it democratically as per law.
I think this is the only way to give pressure to the representative. Let him come, sir, for today. Let him come and then we will discuss and then let us again.
Don't use the loudspeaker right now. Don't use the loudspeaker. Don't use the loudspeaker. See, already by gathering only you have broken first law. Loudspeaker will be second. So you understand my condition as a government servant, na? I have to act as per the law of the country. I cannot allow this, na. You talk about yourself. I'll speak with my seniors. See what can be done, but this is not the way. I have full support against your demand, whatever. I have full faith. I have full my sympathy. But it has to be done democratically. You know me from Angbong. I was there. You have to do it lawfully. I have nothing to say. That's why. That's not for you. I have nothing to against you or any political party. Even other political parties, adult student organizers also protested, but they did it as per procedure. They applied. We allowed. We even provided escort also. Yesterday, ASU did bike rally. We provided nicely escort. Wherever you want to go, you go. Even AJSB protested. We have nothing to say. Okay. Just discuss among yourself. Mukesh.